In the mystical land of Berk, where Vikings and dragons once clashed, lived a young boy named Hiccup. Hiccup was unlike the other Vikings. He was curious and kind-hearted. One day, Hiccup discovered an injured dragon, a night fury he named Toothless. Rather than following the Viking tradition of battling dragons, Hiccup decided to befriend Toothless and learn about these magnificent creatures. Together, they soared through the skies, discovering new lands and forging an unbreakable bond. News of Hiccup and Toothless' friendship spread, and the other Vikings were intrigued. Hiccup decided to teach his fellow Vikings the ways of befriending dragons instead of fighting them. He started the Dragon Training Academy, where Vikings and dragons learned to cooperate. Astrid, Hiccup's friend, learned to ride her own dragon, Stormfly, and soon the once feared creatures became valuable companions. One day, a wild dragon attacked Berk, threatening the peace Hiccup had worked so hard to establish. Remembering the lessons from the Dragon Training Academy, Hiccup rallied the Vikings and their dragons to protect their home. With teamwork and understanding, the Vikings and dragons successfully defended Berk. The once feared wild dragon became an ally, realizing the strength in unity. From that day forward, Berk thrived as a community where Vikings and dragons lived together harmoniously. Hiccup's wisdom and kindness had transformed their world, proving that friendship and cooperation could conquer even the fiercest challenges. And so, in the land of Berk, the tale of Hiccup and Toothless became a legend, inspiring generations to come about the power of empathy, compassion, and the extraordinary bonds that can be formed when we embrace our differences.